Hello, my fellow photo booth owners. Today, you guys get a POV of what it looks like to drop off an iPad photo booth. We're making $500 to drop off our photo booth with the prop table, and then we enabled the artificial green screen, so no background, no backdrop, simple, easy setup. We're using our Deluxe Booth, of course, from photobooth101.com, our company, and I love this booth because, you guys, there's no tools, and it's literally 3 main pieces, and I set this thing up in about 5 minutes, and again, portable, simple, easy to use, very sturdy. So as you can see me just twisting everything on to make sure it's locked. Then we open up the back, slide in the iPad, get the charging cable, run that through the bottom, then we lock it in place. Literally, it's as easy as that. Then you run the cables through the tower. There's a bottom door trap right there so you can get all the cables organized and hidden so they're not just out and about. We used the Jackery for this event. The customer didn't pay for it, but I just wanted to set up a little bit quicker. And since they have their own, their own red carpet, there's really no way for me to slide it under without having to use gaff tape. So we plugged everything up. We did some test photos, and as you can see, there's no backdrop, but the actual backdrop is artificial. Then we made sure to turn the light on, then lock up the event so no one can exit the app. I absolutely love doing these drop-offs because I don't have to stay. Most photo booth owners literally will set up their photo booth, stay for the allotted time, then go home. So we don't get burnt out. We actually really enjoy our lives when we're doing the drop-offs. And here's footage of my wife saying that we should actually go get some Korean barbecue, then go to a movie. And fast forward, 30 minutes later, we're having some Korean barbecue, enjoying ourselves while our photo booth is out making us money. And here are some of the photos that people took with the template when we were away. And of course, everything is digital sharing, so they can take a photo or GIFs just like this, send it straight to their phone or via email. Then we went home, we watched this movie. I actually fell asleep, can't even lie. 11 o'clock came around, so I headed back to the event solo. The wife wasn't feeling well, to pick up the equipment. They were still using the booth, so I hopped on TikTok for a little bit just to reply to some messages, and then that's it. Packed up, headed home, and if you guys want to get started in this business, go to photobooth101.com. You can get started today.